Usually you will ask one thing now. You didn't ask today? Yes. I was expecting this only from Jivisha. I will tell the marks now. I was waiting for you to ask. I was thinking, okay, let me see. If the children ask me, we will say the marks like that. Yesterday only I completed the correction. Continuously I did many papers were there. Really difficult only. Many of you did very nicely. I must say that also. Many of you did nicely. But few points that I want to tell before telling the marks are, remember one thing. If I am asking in fill in the blank, yes, Majivisha, you only ask first. That's okay. Listen now. If I ask in fill in the blanks, you are writing only the answer in the fill in the blanks. Correct. If I am asking for a 2 marks question, if I am asking a 2 marks like this, I asked. This time I have given the marks. Remember, next time onwards, I will not give marks if you are doing like in one step answer. Many of you, what you did, not even this question also you didn't write. What you wrote, just you wrote number 2 and you wrote 7,500. Some wrote 7,300, some wrote whatever they want. Like this answer. What I know, what is this? No multiplication, nothing, no step. I must give 2 marks for this. How will you give what? One thing I am asking simplification means step by step simplification I want. First step is to write the question copy. These both numbers to subtract. If addition symbol is there, to add. Here minus. Then in the next step 7,500. This way to do the question. It carries 2 marks. Okay. Like that only if you did, it's fine. This time I gave for everybody. Those who wrote 7,500 also I gave. I thought, okay, first cycle test only. I don't know these children also. You are very small. Now only coming from 5th to 6th. So this time I gave. Next time it won't be. Okay. For 2 marks, you cannot write simply. And it's a Roman number. I asked why it is meaningless. I asked, whatever story you wrote, that is the question. Why it is not possible? Somebody wrote like this simply. What is this? You should write the symbol V cannot be repeated. The symbol X or any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. You have to write in words. Like that I have given in the exercise for you. I have given the material. So I expect the answer like that. This time, for those who gave there, what is the reason? I asked why it is meaningless, give reason. Okay, so that should be the reason. 3 marks also. When you do 3 marks, I asked to write the number name using international system. Many of you wrote crores, lakhs, 3 lakhs, 300 lakhs. It is not crores and lakhs. I asked you international system. International system, first to write the numbers using the commas properly, then should write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, million. Understood? Then 786. Many of you, either you are writing this 102,000. Instead of 300, many wrote 3. So 300 million is not 3 million. Understood? So 3 marks and all properly must do. It should necessary steps, but many of you did very, very nicely. Expanded form, you did the descending order, many were correct. Fill in the blanks, less than, greater than, all correct. 1000 liter make a kiloliter. I already told whenever in kiloliters, whatever it is kilometers or whatever it is, kilo means here 1000. Centimeter, meter only 100. Kiloliter, 1000 grams, 1 kilogram. Like that it is. Somebody wrote what you know in fill in the blanks. Question is wrong. That is the answer. They wrote number, what is that? Fourth fill in and wrote question is wrong. Another somebody wrote a doubt in the question. For that and all we will give mark what? You are writing stories. I want answer. Okay, question is wrong or question is correct, you don't worry. You tell me what is the answer, I will decide whether it is correct or not. Stories and all shouldn't write in the max paper. Neatly should write. Okay, fine. These all over. Now going to tell the marks. And very, very important thing. Repeated submissions I don't do, I told already. One time submit, upload the paper, change the PDF, upload once I told. Pradeep is a boy, again, 8 to 9 times you uploaded your paper. Pradeep, how many Pradeep? One Pradeep paper only I am going to do correction. First what you submitted only will do correction. Why so many submissions? How many times to open your paper? What? We will be seeing what? So next time onwards, 9 times if you submit, I will cut off the marks, Pradeep. Now itself I say. Another one, same like Pradeep, another one. 7 times. Hen Shiva. God knows who is this. Hen Shiva. Hen Shiva. Hen. We are not. First 2 pages. So together, you send me together. Okay. Hem Shiva repeated. And who is again 9 times. Jason Philip 2 times. I want only 1. And the last 3 again the same Pradeep only. That they only should do. Now listen to your marks. Don't ask. Again, what is my mark? Only I will say, listen, write and keep. Jotam. Simona, 25. Very good. Advika Sanvi, 24. Yuvan, 24. Safa, yes, 19. Anas, 17. Jason Philip, 24. Again repeated one. Pablo Jaile, 19. Farah Rahman, 25. Very good. John and half, 20 and half. N.A. Arshin Suhena, Arshin Suhena, 60, 23 and 23 now you are asking. Lakshan, not at all, nothing in the paper. That's 7 marks also because of 20 and half. Srinidhi, 22 and half. Anuksha, 21 and half. Satyanarayanan, 90 half. 10 and half. Rajaraksha, lot of not practicing all maths. He did submission. Castledam Merlin, 24. 22. Regine Matthew, 23. Ritika, 20. Why this Pradeep again asking? 19 Pradeep. Be quiet. Ritika, Ritula, 17. Ritula also mistakes are there, Ritula. Concentrate what you are doing. Lot of corrections also. Ritula, 17. Shivani, 17. Tarun, Karthik, 23. Hem Shiva, 18. Next time, only one submission should be. Then Fatima, 17. Repeated submission again. Again this Pradeep. Again Selva Muthukumaran, 13. Annie Joy, 17. Santosh Kumar, 25. Very good, Santosh Kumar. Aisha Shahana, 20. Kavya, 24. Kavinsha, 16 and half. That's all. Then again repeated summation on. Very, very good. Those who got 25, they deserve a clap. Their names alone, I'm saying again. Jotham Calix, you too clap. Jotham Calix, full. Simona, full, 25. Farah Rahman and Murali Anand, 25. 25 is something special. Santosh Kumar, Rahul, name is not there, I think so. Name is not there means I didn't get the link, ma. You should upload it. No, I don't get it. Gomati, no, like that, no names are there. Infanta, I told no. 20. Where is that? Jolie Melma. I don't know the children. No. These are the only papers I got. Anushri, like that I don't have here. Rahul. Yes, ma. If I have not received the paper, what to do? You have to send that again only. Properly as a PDF, properly upload only once. 1,000 times, no need to do only. I'll cut the marks next time for that repeated submission if you do. 10 times, 12 times will do. Yes, you can send. Rahul, I didn't receive your paper. You can send. If I have not listed out your name from the list, and then please send me the paper. Send me today. Got submitted again. Once only I will open the paper. I know nicely. First submission only will open. Which day the exam, that day, if you submit means only will open the paper. Understood. That too first link only. If 5 o'clock somebody is submitting properly, 5:30, we will open the paper, we'll do the correction. Same person again with 7 o'clock submitting, 8 o'clock, again 10 o'clock, again next day 2 o'clock, again next day 8 o'clock. We don't have any work what. Again, why I must open the file? One time only we can do like that. Okay. One time only we can properly do it once. If your name I am not reading out, if by chance you have not uploaded properly, then do it again. You can do today after this classes, today afternoon, try to upload the paper properly. You learn from somebody and then do that. Change it as a PDF, upload properly. If I get the link, I will do the correction and tomorrow I will tell you the marks. Sir, you are only asking mark. I didn't get no links at all. Properly do. You are having interest in knowing the marks, but you don't do the uploading properly means what to do. This time only you are doing, no? Up to last year you had MCQ. So now only you are uploading the papers. So now learn how to take a photo of that using a scanner, change it into PDF, keep a name for that, push that. There won't be any mistakes. I told you also long back. Once I told you this thing. But many of you got very, very good marks. For 25 marks, those who got about 20, all very good only. Who and all got about 20? 60 means 80% max. It's very good. 20 also good. 20 and about 20. Below 20, definitely you should improve. Karthik, Saif Ahmad, then Lutfi, Fiona, Sai Saravanan, Ahmad Rasim, Shrutika, Srinidhi, Anuksha, Kamal, Muralianan, Kanishka, Tarun, Santosh Kumar, Aisha Shahana, Nathaniel Jonad, Kavya. All very, very good. These many children got 20 and above. It's a very good thing. All others must improve. Okay. Low marks children were Lakshan, 7 marks and Taran. Lakshan and Taran definitely should improve, and Mesha Shalom, 11 marks. But the paper was a nice paper. This time let us see how we are going to do the cycle test. Second cycle test also do nicely. Shall we move on? Shall we move on to our thing? I will explain about co-prime and twin prime. Yesterday I showed you about the prime numbers in the column. I told that is very important, page number 46. Okay, go through that at home. Prime numbers are those numbers which will have only two factors, which means they will be coming in one table and its own table. So only two. Lakisha, I didn't get so only two factors means they will come in one table and its own table. Only 1 and 3. 1 and 3 table. 3 have you number 11, 3, 9 and so prime go through page number 46. They're all we will make use of in this exercise. These what are those numbers? Let me go prime. Two natural numbers have only one as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. Both composite number is coming in three factors. 7 is a prime number. 10 will come in one table, two table, 5 table, 10 table. It is not a so 2 days before what is given in your class only timetable ma. Okay, which day you are already with you phone. Only second chapter, that is whole numbers. That alone is the portion for our class. 6 standard, no, 6 standard only whole number. So like these type of numbers, natural number, difference will be 1, 1, 1 by 2, 2, 2 fraction that they have deleted ma. By mistake, I informed ma'am, then they deleted. By mistake, they have printed. They will be giving the new portion. I have checked in the class. Whole number is only and minus 5 2. If the difference of those numbers are so 2 2 2 2, if it is so, if they differ by that, only prime number. Here there are natural numbers factor. They will not come in any other table. They will be only prime numbers. They are nice. Time is there are exercise 3 people. Here is write in the text in that textbook. Exercise you have some place you can to write all even numbers from between 50 and 70 for 56, 60, 62. These are very, very easy. And 70. So, this is the answer. Listing out the even numbers from between 50 and 70. This is question A. In the textbook means you write in the textbook. There you can write or down, so that when you read the same place, the textbook only. Yes, ma, page me correct. Page 47. When you revise with the question, because in my material, I used to give questions. For some questions won't be there. You should refer the Lutfi 70 is an even number, but we shouldn't write between number asking. Why 70 to write? Between. Now Lutfi is sitting here, asking who is sitting between these two. This thing between 1 and 3, you should say this only. You will not say number 3, no. Between means is sitting like that. Between 50 and 70 means that shouldn't write. The question also in text. You know about odd number. First standard itself it comes. Between two numbers, right? So 90, 93, 95, 97, 99 I should write and stop. That is also your odd number. Should stop there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next question, next class we'll see.